Hello friends and welcome to my channel Organatic. Closet space is usually limited. However, you can organize any closet so that everything is in its place and easy to find. In this video I'll give you 7 simple tips for organizing your closet. But before we start, I would like to thank Lily Silk for sponsoring this video. This nice sweater I'm wearing right now is made of pure cashmere. It comes in a nice looking paper box and can also be a nice present for your family and friends. I really love it because it's so warm, soft and beautiful, just perfect for these cold days in the winter time. By Lily Silk you can find all kinds of quality silk products. I've got here a very nice blouse, but they also have pajamas, pillowcases, bedding sets and more. The company has a zero waste policy. Fabric remains are used to make accessories such as silk eye masks and scrunchies. Moreover, they are environmentally conscious. Their silk is sourced from mulberry trees, which require less water than cotton to grow. I will leave the link and my personal discount code in the description box below. And now, let's get started! Begin organizing your closet by getting rid of all the unnecessary stuff. There is no point in organizing something that you haven't worn in a long time or something that you don't plan on wearing again. Just get rid of it. That's what I always do. If you are not sure whether you want to keep something or not, it's a good sign that it's time to let it go. I never hesitate to keep the clothes that I love. It's best to keep only favorite and essential outfits in the closet. And that's what we are going to focus on today. Use identical hangers to keep your closet organized and tidy. I recommend going for ultra-thin hangers. They use much less space in the closet compared to their traditional counterparts. In addition, the hangers have a non-slip coating that prevents clothes from falling off. Plus, they are reasonably priced. It doesn't really matter what model of the hangers you choose. As long as they are the same, your closet will naturally look pleasant and well kept. Just keep in mind that thin hangers will effectively double your closet space. The next thing you can do to stylize your closet and make it more functional is to sort and group everything by color. It will make it easier to navigate your wardrobe and your closet will look much tidier. For instance, my wardrobe doesn't have many colors, so I arranged everything in a dark to light gradient, which helps me locate what I need. One of the main steps in creating order in the closet is to organize the shelves and the drawers. Let's start with the shelves. Follow a simple yet critical rule: keep the most necessary clothes in the most easily accessible place at eye level. Store the clothes that you don't wear that often, like seasonal clothes, for example, on less reachable shelves. It's time for a quick tip on how to stack clothes lightning fast. Visually divide an item as shown in the diagram, then turn it over and give it a shake. That's it! If this diagram is a little too confusing for you, there is another easy way. Once you decide on the width of the stack, take an item from the top, hold it with your thumb and index finger as you tug the sides with the rest of your fingers. Then hold it in half, and that's it! Carefully stacked clothes will make your closet look much better. Besides that, it's also efficient. Everything is in plain view and you won't waste time finding what you need. Now that we are finished with the shelves, let's move on to the drawers. I believe that the drawer is the greatest invention of all time. It can fit a lot of stuff while protecting it from dust and keeping it out of sight. Place your belongings upright and you will have a good overview of everything in the closet. That way you will never forget what you have and will be more likely to wear it. Now let's take a look at how you can organize your closet using a multi-purpose hook hanger. You can hang all kinds of stuff on this hanger, for example t-shirts, scarves and belts. Bags take up a lot of space when you keep them on a shelf. Instead, get a belt hanger with hooks and carefully hang your bags on it. It's a great idea for organizing purses and handbags. Finally, use the available space under the clothes for shoe storage. This storage bag from IKEA will be helpful here. If you want to see other ways to store your shoes, please watch this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you like cashmere and silk products too, please check my description box for the link of Lily Silk and my personal discount code. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!